Let us try to understand atmospheric pressure with the help of this small activity. In this activity, we have taken a plastic bottle, and in this plastic bottle, we pour some hot water. We close the lid of the bottle and we shake the bottle, and after few minutes we open the bottle and take out all the water from the bottle. We keep the bottle like this, and we will observe that after some time the shape of this bottle deforms, it changes. Now, why does this happen? We had taken a water bottle, it is a plastic bottle, and we had poured hot water in the bottle. Hot water की वजह से the air inside the bottle gets heated up and it comes out. We close the lid. After shaking, we pour out the hot water. Along with this, whatever air is left inside it, that also comes out. Immediately we close the bottle. That means maximum amount of air has come out from the bottle. Now when we keep it, what happens? The atmospheric pressure, outside pressure, that becomes more. And since there is very less air inside the bottle, so the inside pressure is less. बाहर का प्रेशर ज्यादा हो जाता है, अंदर का प्रेशर कम हो जाता है. अंदर का प्रेशर कम क्यों हो गया? क्योंकि वो हवा गर्म होके बाहर निकल चुकी है, तो अंदर हवा कम है और बाहर हवा का दबाव ज्यादा है, और उसकी वजह से ये बॉटल डिफॉर्म हो जाती है, शेप चेंज कर देती है. द प्रेशर ऑफ आउटसाइड एयर बिकम्स मोर देन द प्रेशर ऑफ एयर इनसाइड. It is this difference in pressure that deforms and crush the bottle. Now let us study the variation in air pressure. What are the factors on which air pressure depends? The first factor on which air pressure depends is altitude, the height. We know as we will move above the surface of the earth, what will happen? The height of the air column above us, that will keep on decreasing. And since the height of the air column decreases, the pressure also decreases. Aeroplanes, we are taking the example of aeroplanes. Aeroplanes, when they are flying up in the sky, what happens? The atmospheric pressure reduces. And if there is a reduction in atmospheric pressure, what will happen to the passengers inside the cabin? The pressure inside the cabin should also reduce, and because of the reduction in pressure, what will happen? The passengers will suffer from nose bleeding. क्यों? क्योंकि पैसेंजर्स के बॉडी प्रेशर तो मेंटेन्ड है, वो तो वही है, वो चेंज नहीं हुआ है, पर बाहर का प्रेशर कम हो गया. तो उससे क्या होगा कि अंदर से खून जो है वो नाक के जरिए बाहर आ सकता है, नोज ब्लीडिंग हो सकती है. टू अवॉइड दिस, ये चीज़ नहीं होनी चाहिए, इसलिए जो केबन्स हैं एरोप्लेन के अंदर उनको प्रेशराइज्ड रखते हैं. प्रेशर इज मेंटेन्ड इनसाइड द केबन सो दैट सच थिंग्स डू नॉट हैपन. पैसेंजर्स का जो बॉडी प्रेशर है और केबन का बॉडी प्रेशर मेंटेन करके रखते हैं. तो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट प्रेशराइज्ड केबन्स आर प्रोवाइडेड इन द एयरक्राफ्ट्स बिकॉज एज द एयरप्लेन राइजेस अप, the atmospheric pressure becomes low. So the pressure inside the cabin is maintained so that the passengers in the plane, they are comfortable. So this is the first point, that pressure depends on the altitude. The second point is pressure depends on temperature. with the rise in temperature or fall in temperature, the air gets heated up or cooled down and it moves. Cool air, when the land is cool, the air becomes cool and it comes down, and warm air, we know it is light and it goes up. ठंडी हवा नीचे की तरफ आती है, भारी होती है, गर्म हवा हल्की होती है और वो ऊपर की तरफ जाती है. इसी फिनोमेना को हम यहां पर देख रहे हैं. एट नाइट, रात के समय लैंड जो है, धरती जल्दी ठंडी हो जाती है. ठंडी हो जाती है तो इसके ऊपर की हवा ठंडी रहती है. समुद्र का पानी गर्म होता है. द water is still at a higher temperature as compared to the land. So the air above the sea is warm. Cool air will blow towards the sea. It is heavy. It moves like this. And the warm air above the sea, it moves towards the land. This rotation of air is maintained. Fine. In the other case, during the day, the land is warm. The air above the land is also warm, whereas the sea is still cooler. The air above the sea is cool. This hot air rises up and the cool air from the sea blows towards the land like this. So again, a cycle of warm air and cool air is maintained. So this land breeze and sea breeze, they are caused due to the difference in temperature of the land and the sea.